Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another handbag review, and we've got another YSL beauty here. I've been on such a bent with, is that the right word even, with YSL bags. I've just been obsessed. I love them. So this one here is the YSL Lou camera bag, and it's in this black Croc effect leather. You can see my ring light. So in this video, I'm gonna do a handbag review, and if you are new to my channel, A, definitely hit the subscribe button, but B, what I do with these is I give you a full kind of look outside and inside of the bag. I share what the bag fits, and I also share what it looks like on me. So if that sounds good, let's jump in. All right, so as you can see, this bag is a really good sized bag. And on the front, you've just got that beautiful Croc effect leather, which I think is just so durable. And I think a very sturdy, long wearing leather. I am borrowing this bag, which I will share how and where I'm borrowing it from at the end of the video as well. But I don't see, because a lot of people have been using this bag, I don't see any marks on it whatsoever. So in terms of bags I would want to invest in, I think this to me feels like you would have it for a long time and it would be super classic. Now let's get into what the bag looks like. So we've got a zip on the top, just very simple, and then I've shown you the back here. And then it's just a very lovely, simple camera bag. We do have the crossbody strap. I'm getting a little bit tangled in it. There are some little things that you can adjust the strap length as well. I think I have it actually on the smallest one currently, so you could make it longer. And then like with other YSL bags, there's also this really cool Saint Laurent tassel on it. To be fair, sometimes this bothers me and I take it off, but it is another design detail with the bag. Now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so the inside of this bag, it's very simple. It can fit so much because it's essentially just one big compartment on the inside. You can see here, there's a little bit of signs of wear and tear on the inside. It's kind of like more of like a canvasy fabric there. And then let's just flip the bag around a little bit. So you do have, yes, you can see a little bit more wear and tear on the inside. You can see the Saint Laurent Paris on the pocket, and there's just like an open inside pocket there. So next up, I'm gonna share with you what the bag fits. And if you're new to this channel, you will not know this, but I am a girl who likes to carry a lot of stuff with her, which is why I really like bags of this size. So in terms of what this bag can fit, we're gonna start with my wallet, and I'll link all these items down below as well as the bag itself in case you see anything you like. But yeah, just have a simple Louis Vuitton coin purse wallet. I've got my house keys here. This is like really cute Ferragamo bow keyring. That's very old. I live in London, and despite the balmy temperatures we're having at the moment, there's always a risk of rain. So I always like to have an umbrella with me. So we've got that in there. And then let's say we wanted to go for a little bit more. I also always have my wireless earbuds with me. And then let's say I wanted to have a power bank. I mean, this one is absolutely massive. Put that in there with the cord. And then we've got my lipstick. So today I am wearing an Estee Lauder lipstick in shade 231 called Power Grab. Ooh la la. So right now, still haven't filled the bag. And then we've got my phone as well. I've got the iPhone 12 Pro, so I've got the big one. And dun dun dun. It all fits and zips. So let me just bring this down so you can see a little bit of the inside. It fits and zips with comfort. I also don't know why I said with comfort. I mean, maybe it's like with space. So you can see in here, I didn't even have to try hard to get it zipped, which is great because you don't want to damage the bag. But what you could do is, for example, if you maybe wanted to fit even more, you could ditch the bulkier wallet for a card wallet, and then you could, or put your cards in the pouch, and then you could fit even more. So love this bag. Let's go see how it looks on me. All right, so today it's really warm in London and I'm just wearing a simple black sundress. And what I like about this bag is I think you can really dress it up or dress it down. But I, for reference, am 5'7.5". I just got measured, so I'm that extra ½ inch more than I thought I was. But the bag kind of hits me more on like the hip bone here with the dress. If it's just on the shoulder, but then I've actually just been wearing it crossbody, and then it comes up a little bit higher on the hip there. So I think if you are really petite, you might want to see if you can get some extra holes put in the strap, but I think that is a very solvable problem. I will also put in a picture because I wore her to the Taylor Swift Eras tour. She's a great bag size-wise to bring to Wembley because I needed my power bank and just more things with me for a really long day. And I wore her with jeans and a really cute t-shirt and a blazer. So you can definitely dress her up or down. I've also worn her to nicer evenings out with a dress and like a nice pair of heels. So it's just a really versatile all-around kind of bag. All right, so final thoughts on this beautiful YSL bag. Would I buy this bag? Yes, 10 million% buy this bag. The only annoying thing I realized is I think when I started to borrow this, I think it was still for sale in store, and now I can't find it online anywhere in the UK, which is so annoying because I think it was a more reasonably priced YSL bag, more in the 12 to 1300 pound range. And of course, it's sold out like that because it is just such a great all-rounder bag for day, for night. It fits a ton of stuff, so you can be a girl like me who wants all the things in her handbag and carry it with you chicly. So I am going to keep my eye on if it comes back on sale anywhere, and I will do my best to look for some links online. If I can find it anywhere in the US or the UK, I will link it all down below, as well as some of the things I shared that are in my bag as well, if you're interested. Now, where am I borrowing this beautiful bag from? So I am a paying customer of Cocoon Club in London, which is a luxury handbag rental service. This video is in no way sponsored. Again, I am a paying customer. I just figured I always find it really frustrating when I'm shopping for luxury goods, whether it's on the Cocoon website or when I'm looking to buy a bag. Nobody actually shows like they show the dimensions of the bag, but they don't show what the bag can fit. And they don't always even show what it looks like on a person. So I thought, why not be helpful and create these videos on YouTube? So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. That really helps me know what kind of videos you like. Leave a comment. Do you have this bag? What do you think about it? I'd love to hear your opinion. Sharing is caring here on this channel. And then last but not least, I would really love it if you would consider subscribing to me on YouTube. Subscribing costs you nothing. It just means that you see my latest videos when you pop back on YouTube. And in addition to handbag reviews, I share some videos about my travels around the world and my life in London. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.